Okay, in this video, I will be showing you how to recover your machine from that loud grinding noise you get when you hook up your finisher to the copier. You plug it in, you turn it on, you start hearing this loud grinding noise as if gears are just about to break, which in fact, gears will break if you keep trying to power on the machine and hearing that loud noise. So anyhow, the reason you're getting that loud noise is because you were supposed to install this tray before you plugged in the finisher and turned on the machine. A lot of our customers do make that mistake. It's a common error when you receive the machine, and that is why we're making this video. So I am going to show you how to recover from that and install that tray so that you won't have that issue anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and have my assistant help me with this. So I will show you what you have to do to recover from that noise. So we need to install that tray back, but when this bar is too high, as it is here, you cannot install it, and I don't recommend you install it until we lower this down to at least up to here. The only way to do that when you're in the situation where you're getting that loud grinding noise is, first off, you need to turn the machine off. And this is a two-person operation here, so you're going to need assistance from someone in your office or so. So what we need to do here is, my bar here is just barely touching these two sensors, but sometimes you see this bar over these sensors, and this is very important. I'll explain to you in just a second why this is important. So you have to find a way to either get a screwdriver and lift up, and you need to find a way to hold both of these. Okay, so once you push these little arm sensors, just like that, you keep it pressed. You now ask somebody to turn the machine on, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to have my assistant here turn on the machine for me. And all this time I'm holding this in, okay? So first thing you got to do, turn it on, close the front door, and now let the machine warm up. And you can see it's warming up now. Now when you get closer to this, you're going to see this bar come down, okay? So when this bar comes down, we just want it to go down 3, 4, 5 inches. Let's say right about there. And then you can release it, and it's going to start going back up. So what you want to do is open the door right away so that it's in the down position here. Now, when it's in this position, you now install this tray. And I'll explain to you why it's important to install this before connecting it. So you now drop it. It's real easy to install. You just drop it. There's two channels here that line up with this little metal stub here, if you will. You just drop it in there, just like that. And then you should have two screws. A lot of times our techs just we screw in when we take out this tray. You're going to find two screws already there, temporary place, so you have to remove those screws. Okay, so once you do that, you pop it in there like that. You screw it in. This is just a safety to keep it in locked position. If you lost these screws or so, it's not a big deal. You could just leave this tray in there. It stays in there. This is just a safety in case somebody kicks it up or whatever reason. Anyhow, so once you do that, let me get closer here. This tray will now hit these sensors when it reaches its home position, letting the machine know it's reached its home position, and you will no longer get that grinding noise. So let's go ahead and test it. You're going to see this. Let me get closer here. You're going to see that touch, and as soon as I touch it, it lets the machine know it's ready to go, your home position. So that's how you recover from the loud grinding noise. Okay, so thank you for watching.